Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel and another video. So today we're going to be looking at the TLR7-A, one of the newer kind of weapon mounted lights for compacts and subcompacts that Streamlight is offering. So today we're going to be mounting this on a Glock Gen 4 19, and we're going to kind of see what all comes in the box and everything else and kind of my first impressions of it. So this is everything that comes in the box. You have the user manual, a couple of different adapters for different 1913 rails, as well as other pistol mounts. You have the low grip button. This is kind of for those preferring a lower shooting grip. I'm sticking with the high buttons, which is this one, because it's more conducive to like a modern shooting grip. Of course, you got your swag stickers. Go ahead and move that out of the way. And then like a little Streamlight catalog here. And yeah, we don't need that right now either. This right here is actually a tool for helping install and remove the retainer clips on the spring housing and everything else for the mounts here. Now currently it comes set up with the Universal -1, and that actually fits a pretty wide variety of firearms, including most of the Glock models up to the Gen 4, and then the Smith & Wesson TSW, along with the Beretta APX and the Ruger SR9. So it fits a pretty good variety. And then the Universal 2 fits a few others. Then of course it kind of, you know, you can figure out which ones fit your needs best. So we also don't need this right here. It does come, like I said, with these low switches. Not too bad, not really what I was needing, but it came with it, so that's nice. You have an option to change it, or if something on this one breaks and you need it to work, you can use that one. It did come with one Streamlight CR123 battery, which is all this takes. And out of that battery you get about 1.5 hours of runtime at 500 lumens. And it's worth noting that this model only has high setting, right? So you got all or nothing. There's no strobe, there's no flash, there's no anything. Now you can run Momentary, and I'll show you that here in a second, but let's go ahead and see how this installs. So you can just unscrew the bulb and the lens there, drop it in, and install that. So you can also kind of have like a safe mode here. There's a small detent in there, and you can rotate this till that point and the light will not turn on. So if you're doing long-term storage, or you're just keeping it somewhere and you don't want the battery to accidentally drain because it got clicked, you can just twist it, and then now whenever you twist it fully, it turns on and off. Now I did say it has momentary function, so both of these buttons function the exact same. So you get a little bit of ambidextrous use out of it. A quick push is, you know, on, off. Now if you click it, it comes on, and you let go, it turns off. So if you hold it just for a little bit longer, it turns into a momentary switch. So let's go ahead and put on the Glock 19 Gen 4 here, and kind of take a look and see how it functions on here. I do like that it has the set screw feature, kind of similar to a Surefire X300U. I feel like you get a lot more use out of it that way. It's a little bit more secure, and you don't have to worry about anything coming off, at least not whenever you don't intend it to. So there we go. Fits pretty well on there. I do like that it doesn't extend past the barrel. I'll be curious to see how the carbon buildup is on this one, since it's like basically directly underneath it, but can't be that much worse than my Surefire X300U. Overall, this is kind of the feel I was going for. This is my concealed carry pistol, so I wanted something that didn't extend past the barrel and didn't add any bulk to it, and this one really seems to fit the bill. The brightness is about where I would want it at for a concealed handgun. I'm not looking for like a spotlight like I am on my duty gun, where I have like 1,000 lumens that throws light like a, you know, NFL football player. But this one is compact, it's very light, it doesn't really add too much to the front of the gun, but it does add a lot of functionality. Overall, my first impressions of it are pretty good. I'm kind of a Streamlight fanboy. I really like their TLR1 series and their TLR1 HLs. So this is definitely a cool feature from them. They also have the TLR8, which is this same kind of size, but also integrates a laser into the mix. I'm not a big fan of lasers for duty firearms or like, you know, concealed carry, off-duty carry, things like that, for a variety of reasons. I'll make a separate video detailing my thoughts on that later on, but overall, this kind of fit the bill I was looking for, and we'll see how it works with the holster I've ordered. So anyway, guys, that's my first impressions of the TLR7A. If you're interested in one of these, I'll leave a link to this on Amazon down below. If you use that link and order anything, it really helps the channel out. It's an affiliate link, and kind of helps me keep doing things like this. Anyway, guys, I really appreciate you joining me in today's video. I hope you found this informative, or at least somewhat interesting. And if you did, go ahead, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And yeah, thank you so much. And please stay safe out there. Take care of each other. Do right by your fellow man. And I'll catch you in the next one.